Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today we are opening up our Ipsy bag. It seems really thin. I'm like, is this my Ipsy bag? Odd. This is really cute. So this is the bag. It says, and off she went to change the world. It is pretty thin this month. I think I'm back to my original Ipsy nightmare. It's National Women's History Month. Wait, there's more. Need more girl power. Take our beauty quiz and get a makeover. And then there's stuff in here about the products. So we're just gonna start pulling some stuff out. The first thing I see is a brush from Moda. Got some of these in our BoxyCharm Luxe bags. This one is, it's called a BMX 465. It is a precision angle brush. So this is what it looks like. Can you see? There you go. So we'll set that aside for a second. And then the next thing we have is from Lord & Berry. It is called a Supreme Green. I know it is eyeliner. So it's like a forest green eyeliner. Wow. Then we have something from City Limits by Beauty. It's Lush eyeshadow. Let's see what this is all about. This is what the package looks like. It's just an itty bitty little like compact thing. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. So it's that shade right there. It's very soft, very creamy, so I like it. I like it. I like it. And then we have Berry limited edition Berry Lip Fix with wintered red algae from Skin Iceland. I'm always looking for something good for my lips that are always chapped. Just a little angled applicator. Set that off to the side. And then lastly, we have a matte liquid lipstick from Real Her. I Am Adaptable. Let's see. Let's see if I can get it open. And let you see it. My dogs. Oh! It's a very, like, red. It's like a orange red. Fabulous. Fabulous! So, yeah, that's my little bits in my Budsy, stop grinding your teeth. In my little BoxyCharms, 5 little things. That was, yeah. This, like, so the way this bag is one of the reasons that I stopped doing, but, not BoxyCharm, I'm sorry, Ipsy Bag. So it claims, the claim is, doesn't give you the prices of stuff. Doesn't tell me what the prices of things are. So I can't even tell you if it was worth the money. We'll try a little look with this. I'm probably gonna take this off my face and all right, so I'll do a little like natural look with this. I don't know. I mean, it doesn't all really go together, but maybe I'll just talk about it while I'm incorporating this into my daily. I don't know. It's not a very put together package. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at with that. All right, you guys, that's 2 months back into Ipsy and I'm just struggling again. So we'll see what next month brings and decide if we're gonna keep going. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching.